Welcome back to Fab Automotive Detailing. In this video, I'm going to show you how I scored big at Harbor Freight Tools. Let's do it. So this is Sunday, January 12th, 2020. And today we need to go to Harbor Freight. And we didn't go to my local Harbor Freight, went to one a little bit further away because we needed to go to Rural King and return some stuff and buy some stuff. And because we bought a heater and it just didn't work very well. But I was like, well, let's go to that Harbor Freight there. And you know what? We didn't get what we actually went for. Dang it. I can't believe that. So I'm going to have to go back to Harbor Freight tomorrow. Now I'm sitting here thinking, I went to get wheel covers for a detail that I'm doing this weekend, and I got so drawn into this that I forgot what I went for. I ended up getting files and stuff like that. But anyways, we go there, and I always, when I go to a Harbor Freight, whether it's mine or one another state, whatever, because I go to, when I'm on vacation, if I see one, a lot of times I'll go. I always want to check out their clearance stuff. So, or open box, whatever you want to call it. Some of it's junk, some of it's actually worth buying, like these three pieces right here. And I'm going to show you why. So today only, all their stuff that they had as open box items were 60% off. So that means basically I spent $146.59 after taxes. I actually spent $137 before taxes on these two Bauer items and basically got a free Earthquake XT. Now, I'm going to show you this Bauer right here. It was 60% off anything marked in orange. They had this one at $59.99, and it comes in a nice soft bag. And I'll show you, you'll understand why I got this. And this is their impact driver. I have never purchased any Bauer items. I have looked at buying them before when I've been there. But the reason I thought this was a great deal because of the next tool that I bought also is because this one, a lot of their Bauer tools don't come with a battery and charger. This one comes with one 20-volt battery. It does have a charge indicator on the back of it. Right there, it needs to be charged. And it comes with a charger. So, that, like I said, you're gonna understand here in just a second why I was like, okay, I'll buy the impact driver because I wanted this for at home. It's not probably the most powerful. This was 450 foot-pounds of breakaway torque. Small jobs, but I want it for home and for our camper when we go camping. Now, go back to what I was talking about on this one. So this one normally with a coupon is $59.99 brand new. And as you can tell, it looks brand new. It looks like nobody's ever even held it. $59.99 with 60% off. I got it for $24. And that's just a crazy, crazy price. And then this one right here, the 1/2 inch, it is like brand new. Nobody's touched it. The 1/2 inch comes with no battery, no charger or anything. But as you can tell, it looks brand new. It doesn't look like anybody's hands have ever even been on it. I tested all the tools before I left. As you can see, it works good. It probably needs the bigger battery, but you know what? For what I paid, I'm really happy about it. This one is normally $89.99 without a coupon. And if you know, you can't use 20% off on Bauer or Earthquake products, which is what I have here. Plus these are used anyways, but if you want to buy it new and you want to use a coupon, you can't use it. You have to either get a coupon. Sometimes I've seen these for $79, but usually they're $89.99. But you have to buy a battery and charger. If you want to buy a battery, if you buy the smaller one, if you buy this tool, it's $22.99 or $24.99, and the charger is $22.99. So you have another $47 on top of the $89.99 here. So this came with the battery and the charger. So I was like, heck yeah, I got two tools and the battery and the charger. So that is very, very cool. I'm extremely stoked about this whole thing. But anyways, $86. I paid $35 for this tool right here. Super, super excited about that. And then the next tool, the big boy, I have wanted this for a long time, the Earthquake XT 1/2 inch impact. I have, you guys don't know this, I have the Earthquake XT 3/8 inch impact I use every day at work. I'm a mechanic. I use it every single day at work. I couldn't tell you how many hours I've used it, but I've had it for about 8 months, and I think I've charged it maybe 4 times. The battery lasts forever in these things. But if I ever wanted to buy an extra battery, the extra battery for them is $59.99, and you can't use 20% off coupon on that, so you have to pay $60. Well, basically, this Bauer, which is normally $229 with a coupon, $269, but who buys it for $269? Always wait for a coupon. We'll say it's $229. They had it marked for $193 because it was open box. With 60% off, I paid $78 for this. That's crazy. I basically paid for these two tools brand new and got a free Earthquake XT. I'm super stoked. I know I've said that a couple times. Comes in a nice blow molded case. Instructions are still in here. Nobody's ever even had that open. Here it is right here. And you will notice it's never been, doesn't look like it's ever been held either, but this right here, they marked it so that they knew that it was an open box item, so somebody didn't try to return this as new. So that's not a big deal. I really care less about that. But it comes with the 20-volt battery. These things have a lot of kit. And I found out about these Earthquake XTs from Erico at South Main Auto. You guys, I know you guys have heard me talk about him, especially in my live streams. Being a mechanic, man, that guy gives a lot of great information. If you're a mechanic, go to South Main Auto on YouTube. That guy is absolutely amazing. And also comes with a charger. So, once again, all three of these tools, if I bought brand new, would have cost me $380. I spent $146.59 after taxes. I saved $233. I saved basically the price of a brand new Earthquake XT. I'm really, really excited about that, you guys. And I'm normally one, when I see videos like what I'm putting out right here, I'm like, man, why can't I ever run into a deal like that? I see people that do that all the time. And I'm like, dang, I never come to a store like this and get a really good deal. Well, I finally got one, and I was like, okay, I got to get the Earthquake when I saw that it was 60% off the orange tag. Made it $78. And then I was like, well, hang on, there's a Bauer here too that I could use for the camper and at home. And this one comes with the battery. So we bought all three for $147 basically. Can't beat that. You cannot beat it. And I thought I'd share it with you guys. I'm rambling. Don't normally do tool review videos, but I'm going to eventually do a review video on my 3/8 XT that I've had for about 8 months. Once I hit about a year, I can tell you guys I love it. I use it for everything from caliper bracket bolts, intake manifold bolts, lower intake manifold bolts, valve cover bolts if I know that they're not, you know, small. Anything small. Now, you see reviews on the Earthquake XTs, there's several on there with a 3/8 trying to take lug nuts off. It's not designed for that. It's never gonna be designed, a 3/8 to remove lug nuts. And then they give it somewhat of a bad review because it won't remove the lug nuts. This Earthquake XT half-inch is made for like lug nuts. The 3/8 XT, I highly recommend you guys go and buy and get a coupon from $129. You will absolutely love it. You can't beat it. It is a really good machine. When you pull the trigger for the first time when it's in your hand, it doesn't feel all that powerful, but as soon as you put on a bolt, you'll know exactly what I'm talking about. I use it constantly at work. I've dropped it. The whole front end, all the black paint's all scratched up and everything like this one will probably end up being, and it just keeps ticking, and the battery lasts absolutely forever on these machines. This one is actually already fully charged, as you can see. I'm gonna charge the battery up on it tonight because it's gonna work with me tomorrow morning. And once again, I was super excited, had to show you guys about it. I appreciate you guys stopping by. If you liked the video, give me a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button while you're down there, ring that little bell so the next time I upload a video, you get notified, and we'll see you guys in the next video.